I walked up to the park today. At the end of East End Avenue is C.R. Wood Park. And they have a new playground. This is so nice. Look. Ages 5 to 12. But they do have a nice seating area with a covering. This is so colorful. Man, when I was a kid, we had playgrounds, but not like this. I hope the kiddos come out and enjoy it when the weather breaks. Kind of too cold right now. Who doesn't like a game of tic-tac-toe 3 in a row? This inclusive playground has been designated as a project of excellence for meeting best practices that promote inclusive play and recreation. Tell us about your visit. Best practice sites benefit from ongoing data collection. Scan the QR code to share your insights. So I'm guessing this is a wheelchair ramp, so it's wheelchair accessible, and it has a little ride here that a wheelchair can come into. Well, I would think not just a wheelchair, but maybe somebody who walks with assistive walking devices, like a walking stick, but it does have ramps up toward the slide. And it's so colorful. Here is some kinesthetic activities to make vibrations, to make sound. Little drums, xylophone, balancing circles. I wonder, is that a merry-go-round? I wonder if it goes in a circle or if it actually turns. Man, I used to love that ride when I was little. Although we used to hurt ourselves quite frequently jumping off of it while it was going fast. But that was the Olean Street kids. We were daredevils. We just want to have fun. More sound, vibration, activities, kinesthetic activities. And this is like a new take on a tire swing. But it is big enough to accommodate different sized children. And this is the C.R. Wood Park. Yay for Durham. Yay for Parks and Recs.